Fifth problems. What is the main usage of S-curve in construction management? So let's go for our problem. Here's our problem. So S-curve. To define the S-curve concept, S-curve is mainly used in cash flow analysis. It can be used for both the contractor side or consultant side. So let me define the S-curve is a graphical representation of how the project budget will be spent if work is carried out exactly as estimated and scheduled. So in the S-curve, the graph for S-curve, there are two axes, y-axis, and this is our x-axis. X-axis simply means the time, and y-axis is cost. It means cumulative cost. So cumulative cost. So here the S-curve will be like this. It is defined using its shapes. So this is our time, and this is the cumulative amount of cost that have spent. Normally the S-curve is defined for BCWS. BCW means budgeted cost for work schedule. There are four scales or four options. Likewise, BCWS is on budgeted cost for work schedule, and budgeted cost for work planned, and actual cost of work done. These are the three scales, but S-curve is mainly drawn for budgeted cost of work schedule. Since in the budget we have defined the work scheduled, and this is drawn before the work started. So the main usage of S-curve in construction management is to measure the to predict the cash flow requirement of project. So using this BCWS graph, this is S-curve, but it simply implies the BCWS. BCWS, it means a budgeted cost for work schedule. Using this graph, we can predict what's going to be our expenditures in coming day. Let's see, we have a day. This is our today. This is today. So we can predict that how is going to be how this pattern is going to be go on coming days. So the main usage of S-curve is to predict the cash flow for the requirement of the project.